our Oslo project beach house. Done column and footing, backfill and piling. Amo din ni siyang backfill and to reach the desired level sa iyang floor. Trusses installed. Roofing installed. Facing the beach or back portion. Other side. Right side. Front view. Side view. Front view. Ceiling are installed using PVC and Hardiplex. Muna siya ang front view. We used dolomite, sand, and gravel for our whole concrete pouring. Thanks for watching.